Prepare all ingredients around you to save time. Add 300 grams of crushed biscuits to a bowl. 100 grams of roasted ground hazelnuts. Add powdered sugar if desired, but biscuits are sweet enough. I won't add any. Add 1 tablespoon of Nesquik. You can add cocoa, chocolate powder, or grated dark chocolate. Mix lightly, then add 150 grams of melted butter. Now add milk. I have 200 milliliters here. First add 100 milliliters, then the remaining 100 milliliters if needed. Milk quantity depends on how moist the biscuits are. I'm adding all milk because we prefer softer crust. The crust will firm up further when chilled in the refrigerator. The crust mixture is ready. Place a mold on a tray. Then gradually add the biscuit mixture and flatten. Dip the spoon in water to smooth more easily. Chill the prepared crust until filling is ready. Next, prepare a very quick filling. If you prefer old-school cakes with many eggs, this isn't for you. I need 1 custard powder mix for 12 servings. The package says to mix with 800 milliliters of milk, but I'll use only 600 milliliters. Always use cold milk. Don't make the custard too thick. We'll whisk it more later. Separately, whip 500 milliliters of pre-sweetened whipped topping. This is plant-based topping. If using dairy, add powdered sugar if needed. After whipping, swap their positions. The filling is thickening. Give it a quick stir. Now fold in the whipped topping. Next, melt 50 grams of dark chocolate and 100 grams of milk chocolate. Divide the cream into 2 parts. 1 portion is slightly smaller. It will get 100 grams of roasted ground hazelnuts and 150 to 200 grams of hazelnut wafer cookies. Crush the wafers by hand or chop with a knife. I refrigerated them before crushing. Now mix everything together. If the mixture becomes too thick from dry wafers, add a splash of milk. First filling is done. Add melted cool chocolate to the second cream portion. Second cream is ready. Remove crust from fridge and add the lighter filling first. This creates contrast with the crust and provides a firmer base. Always place firmer filling at the bottom. For a taller cake, add a layer of plasma or petite biscuits, though it's optional. Top with the chocolate cream. Gel briefly before decorating. Finally, decorate with whipped cream or sweet topping.